don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's the Petway Premiership. Golden Arrows 1, Orlando Pirates 2. I'm joined by Mr. Zweli Abdul.
Thank you, brother. How are you, brother?
I'm Nandi.
How are you, my friends?
I'm Nandi.
We are not trying to fight anyone.
Yes.
But we are fixing everything.
Exactly.
Yeah, please, people, subscribe.
Yeah, that's
please, we urge people to subscribe.
Yeah.
And not only to subscribe in the corners.
Yeah.
But the subscribe and like and comment.
Yes.
You must.
Yes.
Yeah, please insult us more. We like it.
Is that too good?
Yeah, we won't delete our videos.
How much is that too good?
No. Some other days it's nice, but some other days,
it's tough.
The online branch comes in. Those ones are, they are very critical.
Yeah.
But no. What can I say?
Yeah.
What can I say? I'm loving it, Mchan.
McD.
Obviously.
You're no longer understanding Nabi. You're no longer in the feeling like.
No, I am no longer Nabified. I'm brother. Yeah, no. I'm out of the cage. You see, Orlando Pirates takes you out very quickly. Yeah. They relegate you very quickly. Yeah, I'm no longer Nabi. Yeah, no. I'm no longer feeling Nabified.
How do you feel?
I'm feeling ecstatic. I'm paralyzed in happiness, bro.
Paralyzed in happiness?
Yes. No.
It's a wonderful feeling.
Yeah, no. Others will catch it, but others I won't.
Yeah,
but it's one of those days.
Sure.
Where we just had to relax. It was just a training session for us.
Sure.
Yeah, Orlando Pirates were just gearing themselves up how we're going to fix our mistakes, you know. Even the technical team, we could see that they were not worried.
Yes.
Yeah, but with a lot of changes, how can you change the whole starting 11? Man?
Yeah,
you check TDC players.
Yeah.
And congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs, by the way, for winning the league.
For winning the league?
Yes, TDC.
Oh.
Yes, I'm not. No. Brother Narvi. Go and celebrate with the young boys.
No. Who do we congratulate? Definitely not Navi.
I know who's the
Coach Vela Kumar.
Vela Kumar.
Alongside Coach Dylan Shepard.
Dylan Shepard,
not Navi.
No, Brother Nabi, no, he's not cooked.
Yeah.
No, even the pots are no longer there.
No longer in the kitchen.
They are no longer in the kitchen, brother.
Where are they?
There's no system, brother.
In Kaizer Chiefs?
Nothing.
20 games plus, no system?
Nothing, brother. I said it, that we must respect our own South African coaches.
Oh, fair.
Yeah, it goes to show. And I will still repeat it. Even people, whatever they want to say, they can say it.
Is this evidence?
No, it has been proven, Uguti, our South African coaches can do the job. It's just the belief. We are impatient with our own.
Yeah.
Sometimes it becomes like that.
Yeah.
When I look at Zwane, what he did for Chiefs, he went to the final, KF, and they're still bragging about it, but they forget the coach. So with the introduction of another coach, Basusu Zwane, Uguti Bayotata KF, it was unfortunate, Look at our TDC, Orlando Pirates, is producing a lot of youngsters that are capable of chowing a lot of teams.
Yes.
Just like Saturday, Kaizer Chiefs was dealt with by DDC.
DDC?
Look, Mchan. Coco Melon, Nkota, DDC.
Yeah.
Fukeng, DDC.
Two.
Ndlozi, DDC. Mbokazi, DDC. Mfethu Silepe, DDC. Yayibona le nto le.
8 players. DDC.
Don't you learn? Ubobi angazi uleleleni. Bob Stakes.
Okay.
Lele ubuthongo.
On duty.
Lele ubuthongo. You can see what these young players are bringing on the table.
Yes.
Why not try it out? There's nothing wrong with trying a recipe. No,
you think I never spun it for Chiefs?
No, it will work. For me, I believe Gucci, if you can bring in the likes of Abom Fundo, Villagas in the team, and they play like that.
As starters.
As starters. Nabom Shabalala. Those boys can play. It's just that they're under pressure. And they are still young, and putting young players under pressure, it frustrates. You need to give them more time ukuthi relaxele yabona batholi team ikwazi ukuthi iyahlanganisa Maria phambili.
Yes, true.
Manje lapha kuyahlanganiswa mara sibona umphambili
uthi kuyaku
mfethu ifana ne truck iya reverse abaloku bathi yaphambili loku emuva. There's no system lapha ku brother Nabi. There's nothing. He just left everything in God's hands.
Diamond.
I'm telling you, they will say I'm on their team and on their case. They are just, the loyal people there are the fans. Pela. No one. You look at the management is not loyal to the team.
What are they loyal to?
They can't. They are loyal to their marketing staff. Yeah, they are not loyal to the team because if they were loyal to the team, they would keep their heritage. Yeah, their pride and joy to show Guti Kosi Abafana Buktula Nukon. I'm not supporting Kaizer Chiefs, but whatever they're doing, it's embarrassing. Fans crying like that. No.
It's embarrassing.
Yeah, it's traumatizing.
It's too much.
Seriously, Chiefs needs to up their game. Now we are going to that final. We are going to this final, and they know. Even if they can dream and hope by to the nearest Sangoma, they know. Shame. We just left everything in God's hands. We are hoping ukuthi ngenzakala noma yini. But they are not sure that they are going to win there. Bayaz nabo ukuthi Jose has never lost a cup final. That's a fact. And it's not something that we can just in case. He has never lost, even in the big team. Ushai Sundowns twice. MTN and Netbank. Shai Stelis. Big teams that play. Ungazodlala wena. Besi Chiefs ngonabi. No. I'm not being negative, but I'm just stating facts. Let's look at that. Stats. They speak for themselves. How can it be? It's embarrassing. Chiefs needs to up their game. Next season they need to make sure those boys abancane, they must come on board. But only chance, man. South African football is improving. We can't be buying Lilepo, buying Aburanga, and whenever they miss some chances, we always see a kombana ranga and everything, So we need to ensure that abafana bethu ba well off. Take care of our young ones. Ngoba bona bazodlala kuphi. Automatically yabona nalento namhlambe asifisi nokudlala ku Chiefs. Lezi winning league. Zinya asifisi ukudlala abafana.
Lezi ku TDC. Somewhere else.
Bheka mfethu noma zingafisa ne bazipromote zizodlala nini lapha under leadership kaNabi zizodlala kuphi how many young players are playing there? They don't have faith in these young players. They don't have faith. You even check ukuthi the coach does not have a system. He does not know where he's going, but he wants to go somewhere. How can you bench Thabo Cele? In a game like that, it's a derby. You are benching Ucele.
Makes no sense.
And then there's Challenge Bata and Makaula in that middle field. You see now, it's a problem. But enough about Kaizer Chiefs.
But that's true, man.
It's facts. Other people, iqinisa balfuni. It's sharper than any other double-edged sword. So Kaizer Chiefs, we love you. We want to see this nice rivalry. We don't want this Maraba start thing that they want to promote themselves from relegation and they want to make a derby, a new derby. No, we don't know that we don't recognize it.
Yes.
We don't know and understand that thing of Sundowns and Pirates and they say it's a derby. No, it can't be a derby. No, never.
Can't qualify.
It doesn't qualify. 57 fans.
Is it because of their fan base?
No, even worse. They don't qualify, Mchan.
At all?
Yeah, money can't buy you a derby.
cannot be bought.
Exactly, brother.
Why not, Minier?
No, man, mchana.
Itabi.
Big Chiefs, mfethu.
Yeah.
Chiefs, mfethu, there was blood that was shed between those teams. Yabona, sakhula mfethu, sikhula ne-history emnandi. Yayibona lento le, the Glamour Boys. Yabona ne-slogan abasitholayo mfethu, uyayithola lento le. Yeah, ine-history. Hayi team efike yavela seyinemali.
Man.
Yabona. Yeah, i-history yabo imnandi ngoba bamnandi. Yabona ifana nomntana okhulele estradini no Cheese Boy. Abafana. Yabona singasho ukuthi uCheese Boy mara khona okhulele estradini wazi istrad. Enomaster zonke izinto zase estradini and bayamncanywe ekasi ukuthi hey lentwana le ihlakaniphile ngoba umaster izinto ekasi uyangithola. Cheese Boy sovela. Uyangithola. Yeah, mara it can't be. So Kaizer Chiefs, up your game. This Saturday, please, we know, we send our condolences to you very early. Please, may your hearts be at peace.
Are those to London?
And London, please, my brother. London, killer. Papa Wawa always disappears. Papa Chawe Malawi, man. Yeah, you can't. It's not bearable, yeah, it's painful. When zonke izinto mfana kulahlwa ikhiya zemoto. Kulahlwa yonke into. But anyway, Pirates played well. Shenko man bafethu.
Man of the match.
Hayi bheka mfethu ngiyabona man of the match. That boy man angazi mfana inyawo zakhe mfana angazi sibuya phi lo mfana. Those passes mfethu they are educated mfana. Educated passes. You see that pass alibulele emoyeni. He made at that ball mchana. He made at number 12 azange aphinda ammark.
After
that
touch.
Yeah, azange aphinda buye. Ubonile ukuthi lapha ngizofa mfethu. Yeah, ucoach uzongikhipha early ngoba hayi manje lentwana le ngenzele ezinye izinto.
Ushange ankle break.
Yeah. So yabona abo Karim Kimvid suka from a benchini. How me lo muntu ugcine nini ukudlala? Isikhathi eside ne mari performance yakhe mfethu ihlula abaningi.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yabona. So sizoyibamba kanjalo mfana.
Yeah, sure.
Ungangikhiphi. Brother Nabil. In closing, Brother Nabil.
Nabi.
I'm talking to you personally. If you are watching this video, please, I send in my regards in advance, brother.
Condolences.
Yes, I send in my regards. That please receive my package.
Yeah.
That there will be honey waiting for you.
Yeah.
Drink a lot of tea.
Everything is gonna be.
Yeah, sweet.